A year ago, a Fayetteville mother was arrested because she was accused of murdering two of her adopted children.
Since that time, we've kept an eye on Avantae Deven's case before trial. WRAL's Chris Lovingood recaps some of the key points leading up to today.
It started with a 911 call for help in late 2023.
An officer will be dispatched as soon as possible.
That sparked an investigation of two missing children.
Forensic testing confirmed the barrel contained two separate sets of human remains.
And eventually led to Avantae Deven's arrest. In the year that's passed, we have learned a lot about the deaths of Blake and London Deven. We caught up with Blake's biological mother to see how she's feeling 1 year after Avantae Deven's arrest.
I am holding strong, hoping and praying that justice will be served.
During the Deven murders case, we learned about the children's adoption history, how they were believed to have been starved to death, dismembered and burned, and even how their adoptive sibling, Cherish, claims she was forced to dismember and hide Blake's body.
When she asked you to be a part of this crime, what did she ask you specifically?
There was no asking. There was just, you do it. You're doing it. If not, you're getting in trouble.
We've also learned about Avantae Deven's history, including 9 aliases she reportedly used, and how she was able to adopt 5 children across 3 counties through Grandfather Homes. That's an agency which, along with 2 others, merged to form Children's Hope Alliance. Children's Hope says Deven met the requirements to be a licensed adoptive parent at the time and had 7 letters of recommendation.
An investigation that began with a call for help.
As detectives began to unravel the facts,
They found 2 adopted children. Blake and London Deven had been missing for years.
The Deven family was the jumping off point to our WRAL documentary released this year, Broken, Foster Care in North Carolina. It was that reporting lawmakers say further fueled the passion to address the child welfare system in our state and to get the governor to pass the Fostering Care and NC Act. The law proposes wide-ranging reforms to improve the safety and well-being of children in foster care.
When you guys started pushing on this and continue to elevate what was actually happening, we were able to use that as momentum to allow for and to get my fellow Republican colleagues to really move on this issue.
As for where the case stands now, the Cumberland County District Attorney's Office and Fayetteville Police are building their case file for the trial that likely won't happen until 2027. We did reach out to Avantae Deven's lawyer several times over the past year trying to get comment on this story, but we have not heard back. But as I mentioned, it was her case that was the jumping off point to our documentary, Broken, Foster Care in North Carolina, where we highlight a system that lawmakers and advocates say was broken and desperately needed changes. So we built a website so you can follow along with our reporting, including the passage of a law to make the changes that were said to be needed, and you'll find that on Monday on WRAL. I'm Chris Lovingood, WRAL News.